This is the compensation agreement where the seller is going to pay the buyer's broker directly. Okay, so this is the form that we use when the seller is going to pay the buyer's broker straight to the buyer's broker. Okay, so up top, the buyer's broker, you put the name of your brokerage, you put the name of the seller. Okay, then you come down to the property, put the full address. If there's a unit number, make sure you put the unit number so there's no discrepancy. Make sure you put the city, state, and zip code so there's no discrepancy. And then you put the seller's broker. So whatever real estate company that the seller is under, you put that particular brokerage name. The term, that's the term of this agreement. I'm putting 30 days, even though it says if left blank, then 30 days, I am still going to put 30 days because I try not to leave anything blank. And you can put 45 days, you can put 60 days, whatever it is that you want to. You are going to have a lot of questions in the beginning, but make sure you reach out to your broker so that they can guide you to making the right decisions and making sure that you're doing everything so that you will be compensated for your services. And if you come down the buyer's broker compensation, this is where you put the terms of the compensation, whether it's a flat fee, whether it's a gross a percentage of the gross purchase price plus an additional fee, whatever it is that you all agree to, go ahead and put it in this area right here, the compensation. Make sure that the seller initials this and the buyer's broker. Down in the dispute resolution, make sure you all sign that. Even though I didn't sign it, I was just testing it electronically, but definitely make sure that you all sign it. Make sure that the seller sign it and the buyer's broker or authorized associate, make sure that that's signed, and make sure that the seller sign and the buyer's broker sign right here. And again, make sure that you sign. This is a 2-page document. Make sure that you all sign to the bottom. Again, if you all have any questions, contact me. This is Dr. Karen, and I'll go over everything with you all, and we'll continue to put out information so that you all can take care of your business and win.